Have you ever wondered why people lack motivation? Have you yourself been putting off that task for what seems like forever? Do you get frustrated when your students haven't prepared their lesson, their homework, their presentation, their notes, their equipment? Hello, I'm Alex. I live and work as a teacher in the north of France, and I co-own a training centre in Marc-en-Barœul. We all know firsthand how frustrating it can be force-feeding knowledge to people who, regardless of their level, of their objectives, or of their motivation, systematically boycott their lessons. You are all aware of techniques to take on these challenges, and my colleagues will most probably have many more to share with you throughout this TESOL conference. But it's hard, and it can be soul-destroying if you let it get to you. So, my aim next Sunday is to give you some insight which I've accumulated over the years of doing needs analyses and teaching teens and adults. And to help me help you, I've asked my clients, my friends and my acquaintances to give you access to their minds and to show you firsthand why they do what they do. So join me at 11:15 on the 22nd of November for my presentation, Why is this so hard? The impact of failure. And be prepared to share your own thoughts and tips so we can all reconnect with our learners. Have a great colloquium, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. Bye bye, la bise.